We will search how to buy shares of Inghams Group Limited and walk through the practical steps to locate and purchase the stock. Inghams is a large Australian poultry producer listed on CBOE AUS as ING.ASX, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and we will use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before placing orders. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker ING.ASX to find the listing. Then choose the result that clearly shows Inghams Group Limited to open the asset page. On the asset page, review the basic company details and the price chart to understand recent trading. Confirm the name and ticker to make sure you have the correct Inghams share. To buy, click Invest, enter the amount you wish to allocate, carefully review the order details, and then confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set for the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. For the platform used in this example, find the link in the description if you want to visit the broker for more information.